Easy, guys. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
We'll get started with the problems from exercise 6.5. So we did example 31 yesterday, right? We'll do 32nd one. So tell me how to do, guys. Find the local maximum and local minimum values. They're not asking the points of the function given by this value. So f of x is 3x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 12x square plus 12. So what is f dash?
Are you sharing your screen?
Oh, sorry, 1 minute. So what is f dash of x, guys? It is 12x cube plus 12x square minus 24x, right? If I equate this to 0 for maximum or minimum, then 12x into x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0, right? So 12 will go to the other side, x into, factorize this and tell me you will have x plus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0, right? So what are all the points you're going to get, guys? X is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and x is equal to minus 2. So these are all the checkpoints at which we need to verify whether it is a point of maximum or minimum. So how to do that? For that, we will go with f double dash of x. See, for f double dash of x, use this one, okay? So what is f double dash of x? 36x square plus 24x minus 24. So what are we supposed to do? Check f double dash of 0. It is minus 24 less than 0. F double dash of 1, it is 36 plus 24 minus 24 greater than 0. F double dash of minus 2, F double dash of minus 2, how much is that?
Negative value, sir.
So 36 into minus 2 the whole square plus 24 into minus 2 minus 24. So this is,
It will be a positive value, sir.
is it positive? I wrote it positive or negative?
Is it positive?
Should be
Positive,
positive,
sir.
sir.
So
Positive,
36, there's somewhere around 120 something. No? Yes, it is going to be a positive value. So f double dash of 0 is going to give you maximum. This is minimum and this is also minimum. So where do you get the local maxima or local maximum? At x is equal to 0. You will get local minimum at x is equal to 1 or minus 2. Not or, and minus 2. Right? So they're asking the function value. What is f of 0, guys? Tell me. F of 0 is 12. What is f of 1? 3 plus 4, 7, 7 minus, it's 7 only. What is f of minus 2? Calculate and tell me.
So what is
F of minus 2. What is the answer, guys? They are still finding.
Sir, I'm getting 130.
130, na?
I'm getting 130, sir, but I don't know whether it's correct or wrong, sir.
Is it an example
130.
problem? I think you should have a textbook. Minus 72 is what they're saying. No, not this thing. Wait. F of minus 2 is minus 20 under. See, 3 into minus 2 the whole power 4 is 16 ra. Plus 4 into minus 8. Minus 12 into 4 plus 12. So 48 minus 32 minus 48 plus 12. Cancel. Minus 20
So it'll be
then.
minus 20.
This is minus 20. Okay. Find all the points of local maxima and local minima of the function f given by f of x is equal to 2x cube minus 6x square plus 6x plus 5. F dash of x is equal to 6x square minus 12x plus 6. Right? So if I equate f dash of x to 0, this implies 6 into x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you will get x minus 1 the whole square is equal to 0. Upper x is 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
So f double dash of x is how much? See, one more common mistake that happens, no? With f double dash of x, people will start differentiating this value. That is after equating everything to 0. Don't do that. You would have got something like this, no? You have to differentiate that one. So 12x minus 12. See, for example, in the previous problem, in the first step of f dash of x itself, I wrote it as 0. Suppose I cancel 12, no? People will start differentiating after the 12 is cancelled. If you do that thing, your answer will be wrong. Okay, so please be careful with that. F double dash of x is 12x minus 12. So f double dash of 1 will be how much? 0. This test again failed. So what are we supposed to do? Go to the first derivative test. What is first derivative test? F dash of 1 minus. So what is f dash of 1 minus going to give you? Take a value less than 1 and substitute and see. Is it going to give you a positive value or a negative value? Let's do it little fast. Are you guys able to understand? Is it positive or negative? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Is it coming out as positive? What value did you substitute?
0, sir.
You took 0. Don't take a value slightly lesser than 1. Okay, if you take 0, it is going to give you positive. Okay, what is f dash of 1 plus then?
A positive value, sir.
That is also positive. Huh? Then you are having a point of inflection. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 is a point of inflection. Correct? Huh? So at x is equal to 1, it is neither a local maximum nor a local minimum. Hence, it's a point of inflection. Okay. So these are all the problems which are related to functions. Now, I told you, right, this exercise is important where they will ask you the 5-mark questions. So at that point, they will not ask you these kind of problems for 5 marks. Rather, they will give you statement problems for 5 marks. When I say statement problems, it is based on some geometry. Okay. See, that is where the statement, now we are going to do some statement problems. Find the two positive numbers whose sum is 15 and the sum of whose squares is minimum. Okay. Find the two positive numbers whose sum is 15. Okay, let the positive numbers be x comma y. So x plus y is 15 and x square plus y square is least. When they say minimum, it means least, correct? Now listen to this. So this x square plus y square, if I call it as s, okay, then I always need to check for the variable, check for the value that I've given is dependent on how many variables. If I put a question, now s is dependent on how many variables?
2.
What are they? X and y.
Y.
So you always, so to make the two variable thing as a two variable function as a single variable function, actually two variable is written like this. Most of you would have not known. Sum is a function of x comma y. So you have to ensure that this is made as a function of one variable from the given condition and then start differentiating. Which implies s of x is equal to, can I write x square plus 15 minus x the whole square? X square plus 15 minus x the whole square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I need to ensure that the sum is least. So for s to be least, what I will do is derivative of s with respect to x is what I'm going to do. Derivative of s with respect to x will be 2x plus 2 into 15 minus x. So if I equate it to 0 for maximum or minima, then what will I get? Wait, there is some mistake in this. Can someone tell me what is the mistake I made?
Sir, should it be 1 by 2 into 15 minus 6?
No. That is all. Those things are right. X derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 15 minus x the whole square. Let's see how many of you are able to correct the mistake. You know how I found it to be wrong? It came out to be 0. No, 2x and 2x are getting cancelled. So I'm getting 30 is equal to 0, which is obviously not possible, right? So I made some mistake. What is it? It's a very small thing. I want to see how much I've learned.
It's a chain rule, sir.
Chain rule only. That's correct only. What should come? See, 2 into 15 minus x into, I didn't differentiate this thing, 15 minus x. Guys, Be very careful. Chain rule doesn't stop
Sir?
within fifth chapter. Then what should come?
Sir,
Minus
in the
1, sir.
Yes.
sir, doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, like how you differentiated x square as 2x, sir. Here 15 minus x is the base and 2 is the power, no, sir.
Okay.
Why shouldn't we consider 15 minus x as a whole base, sir, rather than two variables?
That's what I did. That's what I wrote. 2 into 15 minus 6. Into, hey, I've told this many times. Derivative of f of x the whole power n is n into f of x the whole power n minus 1 into f dash of x. Into, you should differentiate this whole thing, no, 15 minus 6, which will come out as minus 1.
Okay, sir.
Right. This I equated to 0. Now I'll get things to be right. I'll get 4x minus 30 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to 15 by 2. That is 7.5. So what we are trying to say is when x is 7.5, y is also 7.5. Okay. So what is that we are supposed to do to prove that this is least value? Find the second derivative of s. So d square x divided by dx square is equal to, you need to find the derivative of this whole thing. Guys, am I clear? If there is any step you want me to explain, I'll do it. Am I clear till this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So ds by dx is nothing
Sir?
but,
Sir,
Tell
so
me.
derivative of x is 1, sir.
obviously, da. So it is 4x minus 30, right? So d square x, d square s, sorry, not x. D square s divided by dx square is equal to 4. So 4 is greater than 0. Since I'm getting a greater than 0 value, then at x is equal to 7.5 and y is equal to 7.5, the sum of their squares will be the least. Did we prove it? Once, two. Okay. Next, example number 35. Find the shortest distance of the point 0, c from the parabola y is equal to x square find the shortest distance of the point 0, c from the point y is equal to x square. So where is 0, c going to be? It is going to be on the y-axis. Okay. And there is a point on the parabola which is x, x square. Okay. If I join these two, I will get a distance. So what is the value of distance, guys? X minus 0 the whole square plus x square minus c the whole square, this whole thing under a root. So this is distance root of x square plus x square minus c the whole square. Let me know if there is any doubt in this. So the formula for distance is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Okay. So if distance, please make a note of this point. If distance is least, that is, in this case, it is distance, guys. If a function is least, then the function square is also least. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is, if D is least, then D square will also be least, which is x square plus x square minus c the whole square is also least. You know why? What is the reason why I took a square? Because the formula for distance has a square root. Wherever I want to get rid of a square root, we can take the square of it and we can make the statement. Okay. So distance square, what I will do is I'll call it as capital D. Okay. Wow. So capital D is a function of one variable. So I can start differentiating. Derivative of capital D with respect to x is how much? It is 2x plus 2 into x square minus c into 2x is equal to 0. I'll do one thing. I'll write another step so that you're not confused. 2x plus 4x cube minus 4xc. Okay. So 2x plus 4x cube minus 4xc. Y is equal to x square. Guys, any doubt till this point?
I have a doubt. The
Please tell.
reason we said D is least is because of the condition given, right, sir? Where
Yeah,
C is
because
greater
they
than
told no shortest distance. They are saying find the shortest distance. No, that is the reason I told distance should be least.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Once I find for which value the shortest distance is obtained, then I will find the value of it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this should be equal to 0. So what should I do? I will take the value of x outside. X into, actually I can take 2x itself, no? 2x into 1 plus 2x square minus 2c is equal to 0. Okay. 2 into x into 2x square plus, I can write this as 1 minus 2c is equal to 0. Guys, are you able to understand what I did? Now see, x can be equal to 0 or 2x square can be equal to 2c minus 1. Then what will be the value of x square? X square will be 2c minus 1 by 2, or x can be equal to plus or minus root of 2c minus 1 divided by 2. Guys, please make a note till this step. If there is any doubt, please let me know.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. The
1 minute.
question is given.
1 minute.
The
1 minute. After page. And the question it is given?
That C is between 0 and 5, less than or equal to or greater than 5.
Yeah, that is the value
Between
of
them.
seed.
But
We are
sir,
not
if we
concerned about.
substitute C's value as 0 here, sir, it won't come out correctly, right?
No, it won't come out. When they say it can be between 0 and 5, it is not a integer, right? It is not an integer. They didn't mention it can be 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4 or 5. Moreover, they want you to use the knowledge of application of derivative. They give you driving error basis method. Right? So in the exam, you are supposed to do like this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I hope you guys have copied.
Copied, sir.
Okay. So what are all the values of x and y that are possible? So what is the value of x that you're going to get? When x is 0, y is also 0. So one point on the curve is 0, 0. The other point on the curve is root of 2c minus 1 by 2, 2c minus 1 by 2, or minus root of 2c minus 1 by 2, root of 2c minus 1 by 2. Okay, these are the values. So these are the values of x that are possible. Now what you do is, do the second derivative test, substitute these values and check which one is giving the least. So we know that the derivative of d with respect to x is how much? Two x plus 4x cube minus 4x. Okay. I'll find the second derivative of this. What will I get? 2 plus 12x square minus 4c. One minute, wait. So I'm just see second derivative test. The issue that we are going to face is we don't know the exact value of c. So what we can do is we can go with the first derivative test itself. So when you do the second derivative test, guys, are you able to understand? So these are all the points that are possible. Okay. So wait, what have they done? Here, why is it between half and 5 and for me to something else? Guys, can you please check your textbook and let me know? Is it between half to 5 or 0 to 5?
Half to 5.
Okay. So c greater than or equal to half, less than or equal to 5. Okay. Let me go with my method itself. So d square d divided by dx square is how much? So derivative of this is how much, guys? 2
2 plus 12x square minus
Minus
4c.
12x square, 12x square minus
4c.
4c.
So this value at x is equal to 0 is going to be how much? 2 minus 4c. So when c is equal to half, least value, c is equal to half, what are we going to get? We are not going to get any point because it will get 2 minus 2, 0. So when c is greater than half, suppose c is equal to 1, this value will be less than 0. Means at x is equal to 0, you're going to get the maximum value. Right? What about d square d by dx square at x is equal to root of 2c minus 1 by 2. So it will be 12 plus, 2 plus 12 into 2c minus 1 divided by 2 minus 4c. Okay, this and this will get cancelled. So 2 plus 12c minus 6 minus 4c. Minus 4 plus 8c. So what is the least value of c that is? Have they given greater than or equal to? Greater than or equal to. Okay. So if you take any value of c that is greater than half, then let's say 1. If you take 1, what will happen here? This value will be positive. So what can we conclude? At x is equal to root of 2c minus 1 by 2, you're getting the least value of distance. The same will be the concept for minus of root of 2c minus 1 also. Because you have 12x square here. So whether you put plus x or minus x, it is going to be x square only. Are you able to understand? So minus 4 plus 8c is going to give you a positive value. So this at this value of x, at x is equal to root of 2c minus 1 by 2, we will have maximum, sorry, not maximum. You will have minimum distance. So, but they're asking what is the value of distance. So you need to find small d. Where is small d? This is what you need to find. So small d is equal to root of x square plus x square minus c the whole square. So root of, what is x square, guys? 2c minus 1 by 2 plus 2c minus 1 by 2 minus c the whole square. So square root of 2c minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 the whole square. So how much will you get? Square root of 4c minus 2 plus 1 divided by 4. I took LCM, guys. So root of 4c minus 1 by 2. This will be the least distance possible. Is that the answer? So root of 4c minus 1 divided by 2 will give us the answer.
I have a doubt. Why didn't we take minus of root 2c minus 1 by 2, sir? We didn't
Where,
check for that.
Where?
Minus
No.
root of 2c.
You take minus also, you're going to get the same answer. See, actually, if I have to give you a visualization, you see, I don't know why they didn't get it. But there are different points that are available. So if you take the curve like this, no. Can you tell me what were the points that we got? We got 0, 0. 1 point we got it as root of 2c minus 1 by 2, 2c minus 1 by 2. Correct, Ada?
Yes, sir.
The other point we got it this side. Minus root of 2c minus 1 by 2, 2c minus 1 by 2. Let's visualize, okay? So if the point is here 0, c, if you measure this distance and this distance, they both will be the same. Why?
They're from the same point, just opposite sides.
They're symmetric actually. And I told you, right? If you take x is equal to minus root of, if you take minus sign also here, what will happen is you're going to take this and substitute it in the second derivative. No. In the second derivative, observe the sign of x. You have x square. So if you substitute minus of root of 2c minus 1 by 2, what will you get? You will still get the same steps. So indirectly, what they're trying to say is that is also a point. That is why in this problem, it is clearly mentioned what is the value. They didn't ask what is the point.
Okay, sir, I understood.
Margaret?
Yes, sir.
It's a good problem. I suggest you guys to try it again. Okay, example 36. Let AP and BQ be two vertical poles at points A and B respectively. AP, 1 minute. AP and BQ be two vertical poles at points A and B respectively. AP is 16 meter and BP is 22 meter. This is AP, this is BQ. And AB is 20 meter. Find the distance of a point R on AB such that RP square plus RQ square is least. Okay. So if I take this distance as x, how much will this distance be? RB?
20 minus x.
20 minus x. So what is RP, guys? Can I write RP square is equal to x square plus 16 square? RQ square is equal to 20 minus x the whole square plus 22 square. Right. If I say RP square plus RQ square is equal to sum, for example, I'm using a variable, then x square plus 16 square plus 20 minus x the whole square plus 22 square is s. So this s should be least at a minimum. So s should be least. Since here you don't have a square, we need not to square root, we need not take the square of it. And if you observe, s is a function of one variable x. So s of x is equal to x square plus 16 square plus 20 minus x the whole square plus 22 square. So what is ds by dx? You will have 2x plus 0 plus 2 into 20 minus x into minus 1 plus 0. Okay. So you will have 4x minus 40 is equal to 0. So x will be how much, guys? 10 meter. It is exactly the midpoint. So what is d square? S by dx square, it will be 4, and 4 is greater than 0. Hence, 10 is the point of minima. So, but they ask what? On AB from A. So, how much is the distance, guys? R should be at a distance of 10 meters from A.
So I have a doubt.
Hmm.
Suppose this 10 meter was actually maximum, sir. Then what should we do?
Then you can say there is no point which is at a maximum distance. See, always for distances, the maximum value is infinity. So, they will not ask maximum.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, moving on to the next problem. Will you guys try this? I will tell you what is the formula for area of trapezium. Anybody can tell me? What is the formula for area of trapezium? Half into base into sum of parallel sides. The length of three sides of a trapezium other than base are equal to 10 centimeter, then find the area of trapezium and it is maximum. Ten centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. This distance is x. This distance is x, so this will also be 10 centimeter. Now, how to do? So, how will you frame the equation for area of the trapezium? So what is the area of trapezium guys?
Half into 20 plus 2x into the
Half
sum of
into
20
half
plus 2x plus 10.
Half into 2x plus 10 into 2 root of
10 square minus x square.
this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Now again, area is a function of one variable. So what is area? 2x plus 10 into root of 10 square minus x square. Since you have a square root, what can you do? When area is maximum, area square will also be maximum. Right? What is area square? 2x plus 10 the whole square into 100 minus x square. Okay, let me call this as a1. So derivative of a1 with respect to x will be how much? 2 into 2x plus 10 into 100 minus x square plus 2x plus 10 the whole square into minus 2x. So how much will you get? 4x plus 20 into 100 minus x square minus 2x into 2x plus 10 the whole square. Right, solve this and tell me what is the value of x you are getting. Guys, what's the value? So I can take 2x plus 10 outside. So I'll have 200 minus 2x square minus,
Sir, I'm getting x as 5, sir.
let me check. So let's see. So you understood what I did? I took 2x plus 10 outside into this 2 multiplied with 100 minus x square is 200 minus x square minus, here there is a 2x plus 10 that is left out. So you have 4x square minus 20x. So 2x plus 10 into minus 6x square minus 20x plus 200 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 10 into plus and this will become a minus. So if I take the common value, then it will become 3x square plus 10x minus 100 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5 ruled out. So 300, how can you split it? 1, 300, 2, 150, 20, 15. 10, 30. So what will be the factors, guys? Am I missing something? Did I make any mistake? So 2x plus 10 into 200 minus 2x square minus 2x into 2x plus 10. So minus 4x square minus 20x.
Sir, x cannot be negative, right, sir?
Yeah, x cannot be negative.
So then I'm getting 5 as answer, sir.
But I'm not able to find the factor 5 here. Huh? How did he get 5? So 5 means the other factor should be 16. No?
Sir, I got 10, sir. Other factors.
Other
Sir,
factor
I think
10.
you made a mistake in derivation part, sir. You didn't
Minus
take it.
10 I got, sir. 5
Oh,
and minus 10 I got, sir. I got.
In that 2x plus 10 the whole square, you didn't take it as a.
I didn't take it as. I missed a 2, no?
Yes, sir, you missed it too. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Thank you. Then what will happen? It will become 400 minus 4x square. Now is it right? 400 minus 4x square. Now then this whole thing (2x plus 10) into minus 8x square minus 20x plus 400 is equal to 0. Now I think we should get the answer. 2x plus 10 into this will become plus and this will become plus. This will be a minus. So everything is divisible by 4 itself. So we can write it as 2x square plus 5x minus 100 equal to 0. Now 200 I think we can split it, right? So 200, how will you split it? Mithun, I think you did some mistake. Check it again. $210 into 20, then 15 will not come, 20, 30 will not come, 40 into 5. But I need 5 here, no? So what should I do? What did they get?
Sir, should the sum of parallel sides be 2x plus 20, sir?
No, it will be 2x plus 10 only. There is no mistake there. These are the parallel sides. No? Base is 2x plus 10. Just checking what did they do.
Sir, area is half into sum of the parallel sides into the height, no, so the perpendicular distance, no, sir.
Hey, you can take it like this also. Okay, they took it like this. They took this as the base and they did it. Actually, wait. I'll do another way. I'll do it in another way. There is some mistake. Wait. Let's check this. No? Wait, I'm sorry. See, listen. This 10 root of 10 minus x square. This root of 10 minus x square. This x 10 and x. This is 10. This is 10. This is 10, right? So what we can do is, if I take this as ABCD, then the area of trapezium, I can call it as the area of rectangle first. So area of the triangle, half into base into height plus half into base into height plus root of 10 minus x square into 10. That is the area of the rectangle. Did you understand what I did? So half into base into height plus half into base into height plus the area of the rectangle. So what do we get? Half into, you will get 2x plus 10 into root of 10 square minus x square. So this will become x plus 5. So area is equal to x plus 5 into root of this thing. So what is area square? X plus 5 the whole square into 10 square minus x square. Okay, let me call this as a1. Derivative of a1 with respect to x is how much? 2 into x plus 5 into 10 square minus x square plus x plus 5 the whole square into minus 2x. So if I equate this to 0, what will I get? X plus 5, if I take it out, then I'll have 200 minus 2x square plus x plus 5 into minus 2x is equal to 0. So x plus 5 into 200 minus 2x square minus 2x square minus 10x equal to 0. So x plus 5 into minus 4x square minus 10x plus 200 equal to 0. Now will it work? Can you guys check? So x plus 5 into plus and minus. So you will have 2x square plus 5x minus 100 equal to 0. Again, I'm getting the same thing.
Sir, in the top, I think you didn't add the sum of parallel sides, sir.
No,
I
I didn't
think-
do that method itself. No, I didn't use that method itself. No. I use the normal method of half into the sum of the triangles plus the area of the rectangle. Not sure what went wrong.
Sir, our NCRT should be wrong, sir.
That's not possible. How did they get 2x plus 20? I think there is a mistake.
Sir, I also got x plus 10, sir. I mean, while cancelling 1 by 2.
No, I
I
didn't do any
took
mistake.
root
Right?
10.
No, is there any mistake in my steps? That is what I wanted to find out. Is there anyone else who got it
Uh,
right?
I guess x plus 5 is something wrong, sir, because like I did the same method, but I got x plus 10.
Where did you get
common?
where you
Sir,
here?
I took the root. Yes, sir, I took root 10x square, 10 square minus x square common. So I got x by 2 plus x by 2 plus 10. So it's x plus 10 I got, sir.
Sorry. It is my mistake. Actually, here it is. Sorry, that is my mistake. My NCRT is not wrong. See, this is actually x by 2. Correct? So, x by 2 plus x by 2 should give you x. Plus, there is a 10 actually. No, the mistake that I did is I took half x common. Here there is no half at all. Okay. Sorry, it was my mistake only. So it is x plus 10. So squaring on both sides, I get x plus 10 the whole square into, this will become 2 into x plus 10. I think now you should get the answer. X plus 10. Here also it will be x plus 10, x plus 10, and x plus 10. But still, if it is x plus 10, no. Okay, here it will change, right? x plus 10 the whole square. Here it should be x plus 10. Then what will happen? Then it will be 200 minus 2x square minus 2x square minus 20x. Right? Minus 2x square minus 20x. So minus 4x square minus 20x plus 200 is equal to 0. So let's finish with this problem. X is equal to minus 10 is not possible. This will be plus, plus, and this will be minus. So what will be the factor here? It will be x square plus 5x minus 100. Now it will come down. It will be x plus. So 100, how can you write it? What are all the factors you have for 100? 100, 250, 3 will not work. 4, 25, 5, it will work 20, but here you have 5 again. Then 6 will not work, 7 will not work, 8 will not, 10 and 10. Is there anything else? Wait. I think I'm getting the mistake because I squared the value. They did it directly, no? Let me try this out directly and then do it and see. You should get the answer like this also. The area of the trapezium is maximum at x is equal to 5. Let's at least check if 5 is satisfying this equation. So 4 into 25 plus 25. No, it's not satisfying, no? It's not satisfying the equation. So then there should be a mistake with this thing. I'll check it again though. Okay. I'll check it again and I'll let you know in the next class. Anyway, the time got wasted in this problem. We'll see. Okay. I hope there is no other doubt, no, from today's class.
No doubt, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'll see you all tomorrow.
Thank you,
Just wait.
sir.
No, just 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay, sir.
1 minute. Ankit Ram.
Yes, sir.
Wait. Don't switch on. Ankit Ram, Mrityun, Nikhilesh, Purnashri, and Shipra. Shipra and Varun. Shipra, Varun, and Swatiha. You guys alone stay back. Others can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Susidran, you can leave the. Guys, I wanted to find out whether have they started matrices and determinants in your school.
My
No,
school
sir.
is complete.
Yes, sir, they have started, sir, and they have started determinants also, sir.
Okay.
Sir, no, sir. They didn't
Very
start for me,
completed
sir.
and an
Okay,
exam.
one by one. Ankit Ram. They
No,
didn't
sir.
start.
They didn't start, sir.
Okay, Nikhilesh.
So for me, it's done and one exam is over.
Okay, Mrityun. Purnashri, it's over, right?
Yes, sir.
Swatiha.
Yes, sir. Determinants is
Determinants is also over. Huh?
no, sir, only matrices is done.
Matrices alone they have completed, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shipra.
So matrix is over and they have started determinants and we have finished one test with matrix, sir.
Okay. Varun.
Matters is over, sir. They have started determining. They are finished.
Okay, they're about to finish it. Okay. Okay. So that's what I wanted to find. Okay. Yeah, you guys can leave. I'll plan something.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.